Rainwater, a double-edged sword in our urban landscapes, demands our attention as its patterns shift. On one hand, it replenishes our reservoirs, cooling the asphalt jungles we inhabit, washing away the grime that clogs our air. Yet, the same rain can unleash chaos, overwhelming drainage systems and flooding streets, turning our daily commutes into nightmares. We can't ignore the pollutants it drags along, tainting our water bodies and threatening our health. The challenge lies not just in managing the aftermath but in rethinking our infrastructure from the ground up. Cities must embrace sustainable practices, integrating green roofs, permeable pavements, and rainwater harvesting into their blueprints. It's about resilience, adapting to the unpredictable whims of climate change. We need to build smarter, ensuring that when the skies open up, our lives don't come to a standstill. The future of our cities hinges on how we respond to this ever-changing dance of rain and infrastructure. Imagine a city where rainwater is no longer a foe but a resource, a city that embraces innovation beneath its bustling streets. Underground tunnels, vast and intricate, could serve as the silent guardians of urban resilience. When the skies open up and storms unleash their fury, these tunnels would act as stormwater storage reservoirs, holding back the deluge, preventing chaos above. Picture the relief of neighborhoods spared from flooding, streets that remain dry, and homes that stand safe, all thanks to a network of tunnels quietly doing their job. But it doesn't stop there. These tunnels could be the unsung heroes of diversion and conveyance, guiding rainwater away from crowded areas, steering it toward designated storage points or natural bodies of water. No more frantic sandbagging or emergency evacuations, just a seamless flow of water, managed and controlled. In cities burdened by combined sewer systems, where stormwater and wastewater mingle, these tunnels would intercept excess rainwater, preventing pollution from spilling into rivers, safeguarding our ecosystems. And as climate change intensifies, bringing with it storms of unprecedented ferocity, these underground conduits would bolster our defenses, enhancing drainage capacity and ensuring that cities remain livable. They could even work hand in hand with green infrastructure, complementing permeable pavements and rain gardens, creating a holistic approach to stormwater management. Imagine the aesthetic possibilities, too. These tunnels could be designed to blend into the urban landscape, maximizing space efficiency while minimizing disruption. With careful planning and engineering, we could transform our cities into resilient, sustainable environments, where rainwater is not a problem to be feared but an opportunity to be harnessed. The future of urban water management lies beneath our feet, waiting to be realized. Let's discuss Tokyo Underground Tunnels case study. In the heart of Tokyo, beneath the bustling streets, lies a marvel of engineering, the GCANS project. Conceived to combat the relentless threat of flooding, this underground labyrinth is a testament to human ingenuity. Imagine 5 colossal silos, towering like skyscrapers, interconnected by a network of tunnels stretching over 6 kilometers. When the skies unleash their fury, these chambers spring to life, capturing torrents of rainwater, safeguarding the city above. With a staggering capacity of 200,000 cubic meters, it's designed to handle nature's worst, draining away the deluge with pumps that rival the size of small houses. Since its completion, the GCANS project has transformed Tokyo's relationship with water, turning potential disaster into a controlled flow. It's not just about infrastructure, it's about resilience, community safety, and a commitment to sustainable urban living. In a world grappling with climate change, GCANS stands as a beacon of hope, a blueprint for cities everywhere.
Mumbai Underground Water Tunnel Project. In the heart of Mumbai, a city pulsating with life, a monumental endeavor is unfolding beneath the bustling streets, a project that promises to redefine the very fabric of urban infrastructure. The Mumbai Underground Pipeline Project is not just a construction initiative, it's a lifeline for millions, a complex web of pipes and tunnels designed to enhance the city's utility networks. Imagine, if you will, the intricate dance of machinery and technology working tirelessly below the surface, all aimed at upgrading outdated systems, reducing water leakage, and enhancing capacity to meet the demands of a growing metropolis. Picture the water supply pipelines, those silent carriers of life, delivering potable water to homes and businesses, ensuring that every tap flows with the promise of hydration. Then, there are the sewage pipelines, the unsung heroes transporting wastewater away from households and industries, safeguarding public health and the environment. And let's not forget the stormwater pipelines, designed to manage and divert rainwater, preventing the city from succumbing to the deluge that often accompanies the monsoon season. But how does one undertake such a colossal task in a city as densely populated as Mumbai? The answer lies in sophisticated technology and machinery, a marvel of modern engineering. Trenchless technology has emerged as a game changer, allowing for the installation of pipelines without the need for extensive digging. Horizontal directional drilling, for instance, employs a drill rig that powers through soil and rock, using specialized drill bits and drilling fluids to create a pathway for new pipelines. It's a method that minimizes disruption, preserving the surface life above while the work continues below. Then there's microtunneling, a precise operation that utilizes a microtunnel boring machine, excavating soil and installing pipelines simultaneously. Imagine the control cabin, where operators monitor the machine's trajectory, ensuring that every inch is executed with precision. And for those old, weary pipes that have served their time, pipe bursting comes into play, breaking apart the existing infrastructure while pushing new pipes into place. Yet, traditional excavation methods still hold their ground, with excavators digging trenches, hydraulic systems powering the machinery, and trench shoring equipment ensuring stability. It's a blend of old and new, a testament to the adaptability required in such a challenging urban environment. But the project is not without its challenges. Urban congestion looms large, with existing infrastructure weaving a complex tapestry beneath the city. Soil conditions vary, presenting obstacles that demand ingenuity and resilience. Coordination among multiple stakeholders, local authorities, utility companies, and the community becomes paramount, a delicate balancing act that requires constant communication and collaboration. As the project progresses, environmental and safety considerations remain at the forefront. Noise and vibration control measures are implemented to minimize disturbances to nearby residents, while dust suppression techniques keep the air clear during excavation. Waste management protocols ensure that excavated materials are disposed of responsibly, and safety measures protect workers and pedestrians alike. In 6 years, this ambitious project aims to create a 100-kilometer water tunnel web, potentially becoming the world's largest. Currently, Mumbai's urban water tunnel network stands as the second largest, trailing only behind New York City's 111-kilometer grid. But by 2030, Mumbai could surpass that, with tunnels running deep beneath the surface, 100 to 110 meters down, far below the traditional pipelines that sit at a mere 3 to 5 meters. The cost is staggering, with projects like the 9.7-kilometer Ghatkopar-Parel tunnel clocking in at a whopping 963 crore rupees. This is not just about pipes and tunnels, it's about the future of a city, the lifeblood of its inhabitants, and the promise of a sustainable urban environment. The Mumbai Underground Pipeline project stands as a beacon of hope, a testament to human ingenuity and determination, paving the way for a resilient metropolis that can withstand the challenges of tomorrow. New York Underground Water Tunnels, a case study. Beneath the bustling streets of New York City lies a labyrinth of tunnels, a hidden world that pulses with the lifeblood of the metropolis. There's City Water Tunnel Number 3, a colossal feat of engineering, stretching 60 miles across 5 boroughs, delivering 1 billion gallons of water daily. This isn't merely infrastructure, it's a promise of resilience, a safeguard against the unpredictable whims of nature. These projects embody New York's relentless spirit, a testament to innovation and collaboration, ensuring that even underground, the city thrives, adapts, and endures.